If you just started streaming today or just been streaming for a little bit and then you wanted to update your audio for your setup, you either had to go and spend a couple of $100s for a Go XLR or a Rodecaster Pro 2 or Rodecaster Duo to get the best of your audio to your live stream or your content creation. So many of us going to the free route, getting the voice meter or the Sonar, which they are great software to enhance your microphone. But if you want to get down the line a XLR dynamic microphone, you want to get a mixer. So today we got a device from a FIFINE, which is the AmpliGame SC3, that we are going to unbox, review, and check it out who this is for, and also my opinion on the end if this is something to be added to your streaming or not. Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Rodrigo. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out what is in this box right here. And if you like videos like this on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the bell for more notifications about new videos that this channel will coming up. So let's go ahead and check it out what is inside on this box. Here we go. Let's go ahead and open the FIFINE AmpliGame SC3 mixer. As we open right here, we can see that we have the guide and manual instructions for this device. As we can see, you get all the instructions and connectivity that you needed to, or if you wanted to connect to this device and different things. So it's pretty nice manual and guide over here. Also over here, you can see there's already the mixer right there. Also in the box, we got a USB-C to USB-C with an adapter to USB-A, which is a really nice addition to connect it to your PC or console, which by the way does work on a console as well. The material is hard plastic, not cheap, but also not premium. It's a very nice design, super light and very compact, which will be nice in any small desk. The faders on these mixes are nice, but the traveling of moving up and down is a little bit hard, a little bit sticky, but not a deal breaker. I also think this is a really nice for taking with me on a backpack to use on my laptop. This is really light and small, so it's very good portable device. Also, we find another cable on the box, a 3.5mm TRS to 3.5mm TRRS audio cable to connect it to either your phone or a tablet. Now let's go ahead and check it on the back of this device with the inputs and outputs that this device offer. The first thing that we see right here is a USB-C Type-C to connect it to your PC or console. Then also we have here the line out, so you can send this audio to external speakers or to your SteelSeries Nova Pro DAC if you have it, as well as a second PC too, which is a great thing. We have also here as well a jack for a headphone direct from the mixer, so you can monitor the sound from there. And also a line in to connect a phone or a tablet to bring it to the device. A headset as well here, which you can use for your headset mic instead of the XLR mic. And also a switch to change from dynamic to condenser depending on the mic that you are using. And last but not least, the XLR mic or 1/4 mic input as well on this device. All right, so right now we're going to take a look on the device itself. You're hearing right now the AM8 from FIFINE XLR directly to the device right here. No compressor or anything, so be in mind that this audio is not even have an EQ. It may, you're probably going to be able to hear some kind of buzzy noise in here and there, but no compression at all. Now if you're going to if you're going to go directly to OBS, and I'm not going to be able to show you, but I'm going to be able to at least tell you that is an improvement. If you add a noise suppression just like that, if you want just this noise suppressor, just already help you the background. Just to let you know that OBS have so many tools that you can add it after connecting this device to OBS. So I'm gonna take it out the noise suppression just so you know how it sounds with nothing or just plug and play. So right here in the device, we're going to start from the lights. It's pretty nice. You can see that's a nice RGB color. If you fan RGB, they have RGB in the bottom here as well. I don't think you can see it, but it's a very subtle light on the bottom of the device. Pretty nice. Over here, the first button, we're going to start with as you first of all, you're gonna see that you can pick it up right here, the microphone and the line in as well, or the line out. So this is line out, the line in. As you can see here, I'm hearing myself on my monitor, but if I turn this off, it doesn't appear in this side here because I'm not hearing myself, and it's not going to any output, which is my headphone. So right now, if I press it, it does sound, it does show a meter. It's not a very 100% correct, 100% of accurate meter, but it shows what is coming in is coming out. Over here in the lights, I just want to show off that they have a different lights, different effects. Here is one effects that changes the lights, or the whole lights of the device. Over here is a different type of breathing effect as well. This is more like a different effect as well, the lights going around and changing the different colors. Here is just one color, so we got a red, we got a pink, we got a purple and blue and green and another green. Well, that is more aqua. This is a yellow, and now the RGB if you prefer. Now over here in the top you got a 48 volts, which is a phantom volt. If you have a microphone that needs that power phantom, this device is capable to power up. So if you have a different microphone that needs the phantom power 48 volts, it does provide. This one that I'm using is dynamic, it doesn't need it. Over here in the bottom there's electric, which is different notes and different notes from music. So if you press it, it does, it just give you a with the different notes that you desire. That's, you got a C, if you can see right there, that C right there. There's different notes that you can use it. If you press and hold, it will take them out like that. So it's pretty nice to have this type of thing on the this device. The other thing is right here, custom button A, B, C, and D. This actually be able to record anything that you can on the like your voice, basically your voice or anything that coming into this device to put as a sound effect, stuff like that. For example, when you want to record, you press and hold it. I'm recording right now my voice. I'm recording my voices right now. And then you press it, and right now my voice, I'm recording my voices right now. So yeah, so the sound of that, of the recording for the microphone is not really the best, but is there for you to use it if you need it. Now over here you got the mute buttons that you can just mute your microphone if you want to. You can mute your microphone and fly. My microphone right now is all the way down here, so there's no way for you to check in this meter right here if you're peaking or not, because this is not the right meter for peaking or not. So you got to always check on your OBS if you're peaking or not, listen to yourself, and then set up the way you want it. Just leave it like that and it should be fine. But as I was testing right now, I was speaking too much going after that with this microphone, and this is probably still picking a little bit. It feels like, but like I say, it's no EQ, nothing on it. So that's the sound, how it looks like. Now we can mute as well lightning, which any right here in the back, as you can see, I connected my SteelSeries, which I put in a headphone to my SteelSeries dock, and I can hear with my wireless headphone. Right now I'm not connected directly to the mixer. I'm connecting with the DAC and come, and does work, and there's no delay. So I can hear myself pretty well, just like I have on my Go XLR, and it's perfect. So it's really good on that point. If you have a Astro 50 or SteelSeries DAC, wireless or not, it does work in routing the headphone to your line in to your DAC to your SteelSeries. Now the other line out, actually the line in on this device, I am pull it up from my gaming PC, which it does work. You can send your gaming audio from your gaming PC to your streaming PC via this device. Now, bear in mind that you need to have an isolator in both ends to make sure there's no hissing noise in the process to send the audio. And yeah, it's incredible that a device of this price is capable to do that as well. Now, the only problem about this is when you send this to your OBS, it will send only one input. It's going to be one channel. And the ideal is to separate the gaming with your mic, because everything that you send with this device to your OBS is your mic, nothing else. That's the only problem. So I highly recommend it to use this device to send only your mic to OBS or to actually to Sonar, and from there divide all the channels to put in your OBS. So let's go ahead and also check over here on the voice change as well. There's another button. So this
voice is a male voice, which is, a little bit more deeper. And I think the quality is very nice for this effect. Now we're going to
female voice. This is another voice here that you can just, press and then use it if you wanna, have fun, your streams and everything. So this is a female.
the robot. This is a robot voice. So that's how it is. And now this is a monster voice, a little bit deeper. Wow, it's more like a deeper voice, so you can really hear the difference from the male voice.
And this is right here is a baby voice, which a lot of people like, So you're probably gonna like it to throw this one in your streams pretty well, no? Oh man, alright, let's go.
And this is a elder voice. I think this voice is also very nice for like a trailer, when it's like, something to throw up and as a movie trailer but this is really cool voice. And when you press and hold it,
the effects disappear. It's pretty nice that they put it in all this in one device. Like I say, it's very small, works very well. All the knobs is a little bit hard to put it down and up, but hey, it's not a deal breaker. But all these things that the device offers right here, with the custom buttons, with the phantom power 48 volts if you have a microphone that needs to power, all the little things that combine here, it's pretty nice. And I think that really a mixer that can enhance or add it to your setup if you don't want to spend couple of dollars for your setup to get a mixer or something like that. All right, right now you're basically hearing the AMA FIFINE with the FIFINE SC3 mixer connected with another PC, which is my gaming PC, and routing through Sonar. So what happened is this device here route my microphone directly to Sonar. Sonar do the EQ and route out to any stream that you wanted to do it. I think this device is the best way to use it is this way. If you don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a mixer, that way you can use your XLR microphone and also be able to have the best of both worlds. Anyhow, if you like right now, if you wanted to if you can see that I can use the voice changer as well. However, it's gonna sound
a little bit weird because the compressor and everything over there and the Sonar is picking up after the effect. So let's go ahead
and turn that off. Let's go to the microphone here, and if you see that's a clear cast AI cancellation, it's all the way to the max. But if I go push this a little bit, let me make sure that I hear myself. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the game, go to the mic, and I'm gonna pull this a little bit more like a 50. And now
this is how it sounds with the microphone and also with the effect. You have to put a little bit lower the AI noise cancellation. Let me see this voice. Yeah, see this voice here, because if you put all the way up there, it's starting cutting your voice a little bit depending how you speak. As you can see, it's kind of very hard, very high noise cancellation. I suggest to be about 50 or less and just play around.
You'll see that your voice will be much better with this setup. So this is how it is with the Sonar. So who do I think is going to be most benefit for this type of device? I think for those that is an entry level of live stream right now and want to add a XLR microphone to your setup, you can definitely use this device for that. Also for those that wanted to use this as a portable device, if you're traveling or wanted to use your laptop for live stream in another place and want to carry your XLR microphone, this is also going to be great because it's very light and very small. Also for those that already have a voice meter in Sonar, have an XLR, want to buy XLR microphone and wanted to be able to connect to XLR and use the EQ and Sonar like I demonstrate. So this is a really good for those. And also those that, don't want to spend a couple $100s on a Go XLR or another mixer out there. This is a very budget price. It's under $60. I think it's very solid for the price that they offer and to give you all these features on this device. So definitely I recommend this device for those people that are looking for that. So I really appreciate it for staying all the way to the end for this review and this unboxing. And if you're interested again to watch any of those videos that we have in this channel, you can click over here. And also if you wanted to watch one of those videos from FIFINE as well, which is the boom arm that we just reviewed recently, just click over here. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.